Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is my famous, what my kids love, is my grilled onion and cheese hamburger with an onion bun. Okay, these are the onions that I'm grilling. It's easy to grill onions. They think it's so hard, but it's not hard to grill onions. You can grill onions just as easy as just slice them and put them in some oil, a little canola oil, and let them get brown. Just ease them down like that and let them get brown. Now you can put any season you want on them. Now you can make Cajun style onion grill, or you can make any little hickory. Like I'm gonna put a little hickory on mine. Just a little hickory smoke on my onions. Just like that. Give them a little hickory taste, smell. And they're gonna be boiled up a little bit. And that's what I'm going to do with my grilled onions. And put a little hickory on them. And turn them around like that. Ooh, that smells so delicious, y'all, with that hickory on there. And my onions are done. That's all I want to do with that. So I'm going to put them in a little bowl. And we're going to put the hamburgers on. Okay, we're going to take these onions out like this. Put them on some paper towel. Let them drain real good. And they got the little hickory smoke on there. Ooh, that smells so delicious. And all of them can be done, and all of them cannot be done. So this is the grilled onions. This is how they look. They're so easy. All you have to do is slice an onion and put it in some a heavy pan, and just let them sit there till they turn brown. And when they turn brown, you can add any season that you want. You can put Cajun season on it, just black pepper and salt. Like I did, I put hickory on mine. Okay, this is how they look, and they smell fantastic. What I'm going to do now is get my bread. This is my bun right here. Can you see that? There you go. That's the bun right there. And I'm going to dash it like that. Put a little oil on it on both sides. On one side like that, kind of toast it. Just like that. That's what I do. I'm going to put that to the side. Okay, here's the ground meat. And with this ground meat, I got black pepper and salt. And you know what? I think I'm going to put some hickory in there. A little hickory in there won't hurt nothing. A little hickory liquid will not hurt this at all. Just a little hickory like that. Just use your imagination. I'm going to put a little garlic in mine. How about that? Just a little garlic in mine. Just a little. And that's it. I'm going to put a little garlic in. I'm going to mash it all together like that. And my goodness, we are cooking some hamburgers up in the house. Look. And look, this is what I'm talking about. We got black pepper and salt. We got a little hickory in there. We got some garlic in there. What else can we put in there? Oh, we can put some cheese in there. What you do is get a big piece like this. Mash it down. And my children love cheese. So I just do it like that. A big old hunk of cheese. And just beat it like that. Just like this. And beat it down. You know, make sure you squash it down. Now they like it hunky like that. Now I can see that little cheese oozing out there. I'm going to put another little piece of meat there. I'm going to put it on this hot pan like that. I'll make two. So you know what it looks like. Get it in a piece of cheese. It's cheddar cheese. I like to get the cheddar cheese. I like to get the cheese that's sharp cheddar. I like the sharp cheddar cheese. I love that. Okay, we're going to hunk this up like that. Ooh, they smell it so good, y'all. We're going to put this on like that. And we'll let them cook slow. Now, my mom used to cook her hamburgers slow. She never did cook them fast so it can be juicy. So give this opportunity for the cheese to melt. And then what's so cute about it, we got 2 more pieces of cheese left. So what we're going to do, wait till it gets kind of done and turn them on the other side and put cheese on top of that. I'm going to show you how to do that when you come back. This is a hamburger, what you call grilled onions. Well, I got smoked liquid on the onions to make it smell, taste good. And I got my hamburgers just doing a little thing, let them grill a little bit and let them take their time. And so they can be juicy. Okay, this is Sandra. I'll be back with the finished product. This is Sandra. Here's the finished results of our grilled hamburger cheese stuffed inside. And I promised you I was going to show you what we do with the extra cheddar cheese. So what we do is pour the melted cheese and pour it on top of the grilled onions like that. That's what we do with the extra cheese. This is Sandra. I want to tell you, happy eating. Oh, this grilled cheese sandwich, not a grilled cheese sandwich, excuse me, y'all, but this grilled cheese hamburger with grilled onions and cheese inside, and what you call a bun, an onion bun. If you like onions, have an onion bun. And look at the cheese just ooze all over. This is what this is, y'all. This is what you call home cooking. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating. And thank you for coming to my site and my channel. Thank you so very much. You can get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net. And I hope that you come to my YouTube channel and see how I prepared this delicious, kicked up a notch cheese grilled hamburger. This is Sandra. I want to say happy eating. This is Sandra. This is a finished product of the hamburger with the cheese and the grilled onions. I just want to show you how it looks. An extra show because man, this thing is so good. Look at this. This cheese is melting. I just showed you how to melt some cheese and pour on top. And this is how it looks. This is a wonderful grilled cheese. Well, not grilled cheese. Well, you said grilled cheese if you want to. Grilled cheese hamburger. Well, whatever you want to call it. It has an onion bun. I toasted a little bit. And we have the grilled onions with some, I put some liquid smoke on top of the onions. You know, when you do your grilled onions, you can do whatever you put on there. You can do Cajun or regular. But I put some smoke on mine. And then we got cheese stuffed inside the hamburger. And the way my mom cooked hers hamburgers, she puffed them up and she let them simmer. She didn't let them fry hard. She let them simmer. And that's what we did with this one. I'm going to show you how this one looked. This is grilled. See how she didn't over fry it. She always made it look puffy and done inside. And it was soft and juicy. This is how she did hers. Now this is Sandra. I want to show you how to do a homemade cheese grilled hamburger. This is Sandra. I want to say happy eating.